Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Berkshire Bank application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now once you open it up, simply tap on the search box and then type in Berkshire Bank and start the search. Once you find the Berkshire Bank application, just tap on it and then you will see the install button. Now just tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Berkshire Bank application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application and start banking right from your smartphone after you sign in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Berkshire Bank application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.